Okay, so let's look at claim, evidence, and reasoning in this article. So I went through and I highlighted all what I thought were claims in yellow. So this would be like the thesis. It may not exactly be brand new, but public interest does seem to be piqued these days by ordinary folks making what are seen as extraordinary ethical decisions. Some, however, question if airing this kind of good news is actually good. So they've set out by telling me what they're going to do in the article. And then they go into like minor subclaims. For example, a series of good deeds. And this is a newspaper article, so oftentimes headlines could be considered subclaims. And then this is evidence, a story. This is reasoning. The author explains more about the story. This is more reasoning where the author is actually introducing this story, which is evidence. And then they end by reasoning. And then we have the next claim. And then we have evidence, reasoning, evidence, reasoning, reasoning, evidence. And then the next claim, an evidence, claim, reasoning. So this right here is the last bit, and it could be considered a conclusion as well, because in a conclusion, you often restate the thesis. So hopefully that helped to understand claims, evidence, and reasoning. Obviously, for the purposes of this class and just learning how to use claim, evidence, and reasoning, we will start off writing paragraphs. So you'll just write claim, evidence, and reasoning in each paragraph. Probably about 2 pieces of evidence per paragraph.